Hello everyone, today the topic of my video is Introduction to MRCP1 UK and Ireland. In this video, I will be giving you some tips about the introduction, difference between the two, exam preparation guidelines and approach to the exam. So the first is MRCP1 UK. The fee of this exam is £616. Eligibility is 1 year postgrad. Location is online but in specific exam centers. Exam format is written. And the best study material is Past Medicine, Past Test and Khalid Al-Maghribi. Next we have MRCP Part 1, Ireland. Fee of this exam is €17. Eligibility is 6 months postgrad. Location is online and you can take the exam at home. Best study material is On Examination and Khalid Al-Maghribi. So the exam format is different from the UK. There is only one paper of 100 MCQs. So the exam preparation guideline is almost the same for UK and Irish exam. There is a 4 to 5 month study period. You will have to study for at least 3 to 4 hours a day. Read one specific unit from the textbook and then do the MCQs of the same topic from the online subscription. After that, when you are going through the MCQs, there are explanations given under the answers. You can make short notes from those MCQs and write them in your textbook, or you can make a separate notes so that you can revise them at the end. One more difference is that there is no media question in the UK exam. There might be some basic media questions in the Irish exam, like an ECG or an X-ray, which you have to interpret. That can be prepared by the textbook or also by a book named the ABM Abdullah textbook for short cases. At the end of this book, they are given ECGs and some basic X-rays that can be used for this exam. Next, the most important thing is to revise at least twice before taking the exam. Either your notes, your textbook, or anything, you have to revise at least twice. And it is better to take the exam in the next diet or application rather than giving the premature attempt. And one more important thing is that the practice MCQs are going to be wrong. You are there to learn from them. Don't get demotivated that you are just getting 30% right or even 20% right. Just learn from the explanations. Even if you are giving the correct answer during your preparation, read the explanation underneath, please. So the next part is basic approach to attempt the exam, like how you're going to attempt the particular questions, how much time you're supposed to give to each question. So there are two options, either MRCP UK or Irish exam. In this video, I will be specifically talking about the MRCP UK part 1. The exam strategy is the same. There might be a few differences which I will discuss along. As I've already discussed that MRCP 1 UK is also an online exam, but there are specific centers allocated if you are living outside the UK or Ireland. If in the UK or Ireland, you can take the exam at home or in office, just like the Irish exam. So the exam format is in MRCP 1, Part 1 UK. There are 2 papers and there are going to be 3 hours for each paper. And in each paper, there are going to be 100 MCQs. Between the 2 papers, there will be a break of 90 minutes. Each MCQ will be of best of 5 format. And it is not an exam like if you correct one answer, you will be given 1 mark. This is an exam of percentile marking. More difficult questions will have a higher percentile of marking than those which are easier. Easier defined by the ones that are marked correct by more candidates. In MRCP 1, Part 1 UK, there are 2 papers and there are going to be 3 hours for each paper. And in each paper, there are going to be 100 MCQs. Between the 2 papers, there will be a break of 90 minutes. I'm going to tell you the strategy. Each exam is 100 MCQs and you have 3 hours for each paper. So as a whole, there is going to be 180 minutes. Strategically, you have for each question 1.8 minutes. Sometimes, most of the times in the exams, the statements and the investigations and the options of the one question is so lengthy that it usually covers 1 or 2 pages of the whole paper. So what you are supposed to do, and for that kind of statement, you need at least 50 to 60 seconds to understand what the examiner is actually asking you. So what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to prioritize the questions. You are going through your exam, you see a shorter question. For that, you have to keep in mind that you are only supposed to give it at least 30 seconds, that's all, so that you can get yourself more time for the longer exam statements. 75% of the exam is going to be based on the internal medicine. So internal medicine, including all the subspecialties, including cardio, pulmo, gastro, neuro, anything can be a part of the exam. The exam question distribution is given, but it is not usually up to the mark. Sometimes there is a clinical correlate, sometimes there is association, sometimes there is a drug side effect that makes up more questions of a particular unit, say cardio. So to leave a certain topic saying that this is going to get only 9 marks is not going to be a smart move. Prepare every topic. And the other 25% of the exam is going to be a clinical sciences one and the biostatistics, which you can do from the online subscription. No need to read so many books. Focus on the internal medicine more and it will be more fruitful. And about the Irish exam, I will just tell you a few things. That it is a 1 paper exam. There will be 100 MCQs. Most of the paper is going to be about the internal medicine. However, there are going to be questions of the biostatistics, which you can cover from the BMJ on examination. And this is a 1 paper exam. And the pass percentage is more or less of both exams the same. That is 55 to 63%. I guess I've covered most of the topics. Thank you so much.